Credit card debt is the new silent pandemic, and the banks are counting on you to stay trapped forever. Imagine owing $32,000 and being told it'll take 22 years to pay it off, or making $40,000 a month and still drowning in debt after selling your cars you got on loans. Today, we'll expose how the credit card game is getting almost everyone. We will also discuss why minimum payments are a trap and the 4 steps you need to finally walk free. Watch this until the end, because one decision you make after this video could save you tens of thousands of dollars and maybe your future. Welcome to our channel. If you are new here, please subscribe for more financial insights every single week. Andy, what are we going to discuss today?
We are going to break down how credit card debt is out of control in 2025. Here's the truth they don't tell you. Credit card debt in 2025 is out of control. People are drowning, families are being crushed, and the cycle just keeps spinning. Have you ever looked at your credit card statement and thought, how on earth will I ever pay this off? You're not alone. Today, we're breaking it all down. The mistakes people are making, the real cost of minimum payments, and how to finally escape the chains of debt before it's too late. Stick around to the end, because we'll share practical solutions that can change your life.
Real stories. Let's start with a real-life story. Someone I know had $32,000 in credit card debt. The account got closed, meaning no more spending on it, but here's the scary part. Making just the minimum payment would take 22 years to pay off. Why? Because interest keeps piling up month after month, turning a $32,000 balance into almost double over time. And this isn't an isolated case. Millions of people are stuck in the same nightmare. The system is designed to keep you paying forever.
Why this is happening, you may ask. 1. Minimum payments, the trap. When you pay the minimum due, usually around 2 to 3% of your balance, you're barely covering interest. If you owe $10,000 and the interest is 20%, your payment mostly feeds the bank, not your debt. This is why it feels like you're running on a treadmill and never getting ahead. 2. Transaction fees. Every time you swipe that card abroad, pull cash from an ATM, or miss a payment, fees stack on top of your balance. These small charges seem harmless, but over a year, they can add hundreds, sometimes thousands, to what you owe. 3. Interest rates, the silent killer. Credit card interest can range from 18% to 30% in 2025. That means for every $1,000 you owe, you might pay $200 to $300 in interest every year, without even touching your actual debt. Imagine owing $20,000 at 24% APR. That's nearly $4,800 a year just to stand still.
The cross-generational crisis. This isn't just a Gen Z problem or a millennial issue. Boomers are retiring with debt, Gen X is juggling mortgages and credit cards, and younger generations are starting life already in the red. Debt is silently eating away at financial freedom across every age group.
Bigger debt, bigger problems. Take this example. Someone takes $500,000 in loans for a Lamborghini, a Hummer EV, and a Mercedes G-Wagon. They make $30,000 to $40,000 a month. Sounds rich, right? But their credit score dropped to 630. They still owe $190,000. And if they sold all the cars today, they'd still be $200,000 in debt. Why? Because lifestyle debt doesn't care about your income. The more we make, the more we spend trying to keep up with the Joneses, and before we know it, the bank owns our paycheck.
Why do we fall into this trap? Lack of financial education. We're never taught how credit works. Chasing status, buying things to impress people who aren't paying our bills. Thinking we can out-earn bad spending habits. Living on future money, not current savings. The truth is, debt is not just numbers, it's a mindset trap. Proverb says, the borrower is slave to the lender. We think debt gives us freedom, but in reality, it steals it.
What is the way out? 1. Pay more than the minimum. Even $50 extra per month cuts years off your debt. 2. Budget with brutal honesty. Track every dollar. Stop pretending money you don't have exists. 3. Call your bank. Negotiate a hardship program or 0% APR for 12 to 18 months to pay aggressively. 4. Shift your identity. Stop seeing debt as normal. Walk in the freedom God intended for you. Ask Him to guide your finances and help you break the cycle once and for all.
Credit card debt isn't just a financial problem, it's a freedom problem. The more we pretend it's normal, the longer we stay trapped. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs hope today. And remember, your debt doesn't define you. God can lead you to a life of peace, not payments. Let's break the cycle together.